The iPhone 17 is here, but it's not just the hardware that's impressive. What truly makes it powerful are the AI apps that can transform the way you work, create, and live. Today, I'll show you the best free AI apps for iPhone 17 that can literally change your life in 2025. App 1. ChatGPT. First up, ChatGPT. Imagine having your own personal assistant in your pocket. From writing emails and creating scripts to solving homework or generating business ideas, ChatGPT does it all. And with the iPhone 17's speed, the experience is faster and smoother than ever. App 2. Canva AI. Next, Canva AI. No design skills? No problem. With Canva's AI features, you can create stunning social media posts, professional logos, and eye-catching YouTube thumbnails right on your iPhone. Perfect for freelancers, small business owners, and content creators. App 3. Pictory AI. Third, Pictory AI. If you've ever wanted to make videos without showing your face, this app is a game changer. Simply paste your text, and Pictory turns it into high-quality videos automatically. Ideal for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. App 4. Copy AI. Number 4. Copy AI. Marketing has never been easier. This app generates ad copy, product descriptions, and even full blog posts in seconds. Businesses spend thousands on content like this, but with Copy AI, you can create it instantly on your iPhone. App 5. Notion AI. Finally, Notion AI. Staying organized is the secret to success, and this app helps you manage tasks, projects, and ideas effortlessly. Think of it as your digital brain, helping you save time and focus on what really matters. Outro. Call to action. These were the top AI apps for iPhone 17 that can change your life in 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Earnverse for more AI tools, iPhone tips, and money-making strategies.